How to enable Help Me Write button in Gmail. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Play Store and then search for Gmail. If there is an update button, simply tap on the update button and get the latest version of Gmail. After that, open your preferred browser. Now go to workspace.google.com. Now, what you will have to do is tap on Get Started. Simply create an account or sign up using the account that you used previously in your email and simply sign in. After that, a workspace account will be created. Add your email address, first name, last name, and your email address. Make sure the email address you are using is same as the one in your Gmail. After that, tap on Go, tap on Next. Now, create your domain name for your business. Fill out the necessary details. And after that, what you will have to do is now go back to your Gmail and then you will be able to find helping AI for writing your email. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.